Say hi. Wow, an hour. I could record an hour on this baby.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I could sing a song.
No! No!
I got you. Oh my god, let's make a dance to Single Ladies.
What dance is this?
Single Ladies.
Oh my god. Tell your friend I'd rather stay sober.
Sammy said there's no plans. Is the recording? Stop.
Sing.
I don't know the words to this. The only words I know is my boo. I got you. Hold on.
Good. So, we're at my house. We finished the government project. Oh my god, yes. Good. And what the hell? I don't have service in my dungeon. Blackberries are the best. Yes, they are. Oh. Stop it. Stop it. We must yell. Okay. Stop it. I'm shy. I'm shy. Oh, I'm shy. Stop. Oh, holy shit. I have mad things on this. I'm Phoebe, apparently. Good. I'd rather be Phoebe. So, we're talking about weddings, and I'm going to have a beautiful wedding.
I'm the maid of honor.
So she thinks. Good. Joking. I don't really like this camera. I kind of do, but I think the Sony CyberShot, it blocks out my flaws on my skin.
Stop, I'm not singing.
Seth, Brooklyn Princess, apparently. Yes. I actually like this camera. I changed my mind. I do like it.
Wifey, Chris commented on the picture of Notice. Instagram for wifey.
This hair is like gross. Anyone need discounts, Tommy? I don't got you because I don't work there. I need a job. Anyone has a job for me? I'm advertising myself. Anyone has a job? I need a job. College is expensive. I'm not joking. College is hard. I don't know. Damn. I can't play off my Black American Express card. Ha, I wish.
My brother said no, I'm going to be one of your bridesmaids. Alright,